first one is the Beats Audio Installer by Motion Coding. This will install Beats Audio drivers in your system. Install it and open it up and grant super user permission. Yes. Select next. It's asking to create an Android backup, but it's okay. Just select next. Install Beats. Beats is enabled. Next. Now whenever you plug in your headphones, you will see this type of notification. That means Beats Audio is installed successfully. It will reboot. This will create a huge difference in the output of the sound produced. So now whenever I plug in the headphones, you can see the notification Beats Audio like this. The next app is Link to HD. Through Link to HD we can move apps from internal memory to SD card. But for this we need to partition the SD card. I have 8 minutes long video for this. You can follow that video to enable Link to HD. The next app is Titanium Backup. This is the most powerful backup tool on Android. This is because it can back up both APK as well as data. So consider if you make a high score in any game and now you need to format your phone. Titanium backup can be used at that time to back up the data. You can back up here. Also you can freeze an app through this. The special feature of backing up the data makes this app so important. The next app is LBE Privacy Guard. This is probably the most important privacy protection app in Android. While installing an app, we tend to neglect the permission that the app uses. Like the app can have access to your SMS, contacts, etc. Through this app, we can block the permissions, like just go to contacts. And you can see here speed racing car uses my contacts. So these apps can send your data which we don't want. To deny the permission, just select it, and here there are three options: allow, prompt and deny. Just deny. You can do this for all of these, like phone ID. Here I don't want MP3 cutter to use my phone ID. I can simply deny it. Also this app comes with internet firewall, which is a good feature. The next app is ROM Manager by Clockwork Mod. As the name suggests, this is very useful kit in managing a ROM. Like you can take a backup of a ROM from this app. Also you can restore it from the same. Also you can flash Clockwork Mod recovery through this. Also you can flash ROMs from the SD card from this app. Also the ROM can receive OTA updates if the developer supports. The next app is Root Uninstaller. Through this app you can remove bloatwares. Bloatwares are system files which are not useful. This app has got a simple UI. You can see the red ones are the system apps. Just select any of these and hit uninstall. Make sure that the app you uninstall doesn't affect your system, or else you will have to flash the ROM again. So through this app you can save some memory. The next app is No Frills CPU Control. Through this app you can select the upper range and lower range of clock frequency. So if you set the maximum clock frequency to lower range, it acts as a power saver. Also you can set governors like conservative, power saver, performance, also IO schedulers which depends on your kernel. And finally you can apply on boot and hit apply over here. The next app is Stick Mount by Chainfire. This app automatically mounts USB sticks on Android device. So through this app you can directly connect pendrive or external hard disk. You just need an OTG cable like this. You can find a detailed video in the below link. The next app is Startup Manager. Through this app you can disable the startup apps on your phone. You can see there are many apps like games running on every startup. Through this app you can disable it. You just need to uncheck it from the list. Through this app you can save your battery and free up your RAM on every boot. The next app is Lucky Patcher. Through this app you can remove ads on almost any app. You can see under the app it's written Google Ads found. Just select it. The last one is open menu of patches. Select it, and now here you can find many options which you can do through this app. The second one is remove Google Ads. Select it and select here resize ads to 0 and now hit apply. Also through this app you can remove license verification, and thus this app is not available on Play Store. You can see here it's written successful. The next app is System App Installer. Instead of pushing an APK into system/app folder, through this app we can directly install it on system partition. Let me show you an example. I have Facebook APK over here. So through this app it asks first, do you want to install on system? Also it will override the previous version. Select yes. You can see iApp installed correctly. That means the Facebook APK has been installed on system partition without actually pushing it into system/app folder. The next app is Chainfire 3D. This is a very useful app for the phones which cannot run HD games because of low GPU. This app helps in reducing the texture quality and texture size, thus reducing the memory usage and improving the game performance. I have a detailed video for this in the below. The next app is CacheMate for root users. Through this app you can remove cache, that is temporary files stored by the apps, in just one click. You can see UI is simple, you just have to click. It frees up your memory. You can see 153 MB has been cleared through this app. You can definitely free some MBs through this app. The next app is HD Speed Increase. Through this app you can increase the read-write operations on SD card. By default the cache memory is set to 128 KB, but through this app you can increase it to 2 MB, thus making read-write operations faster, and also you can set it on every reboot. And the last app is Font Installer. Through this app you can install any custom font. You just need a .ttf file for this. Also they have provided some of the fonts which you can install. You can find a detailed video of this in the below link. If you think I missed any other cool app, just comment it, like the video, subscribe me and visit my blog, I Google Play. Thanks for watching the video.